Hello friends, welcome to Ccna series lecture number 2. Topic of this lecture is IP version 4 and its classes. IP stands for Internet Protocol. It is referred to as a software or logical address, while MAC address referred to as a hardware or physical address. We will discuss about MAC address later in this series. Version 4 of an IP address consists of 32 bits. These bits are divided into 4 octets, which means 8 bits, separated by a dot. It can be written in 3 ways. Number 1, dotted decimal. Number 2, dotted binary. And number 3, dotted hexadecimal. An IP address has 2 segments. First segment is called the network address and the second segment is called host address. In real world example, network address segment is the block name and host segment is the house number assigned to each house in that particular block. For example, block A, house number 10, block A, house number 11, block A, house number 12. Note that block A is common in all addresses and only the house number 10, 11 and 12 are changed. Similarly, in an IP address, network segment remains the same and host segment is changed for every host. Based on the number of network and host bits, there are 5 classes of IP version 4. In class A, first octet or first 8 bits are designated to network portion and second, third and fourth octets are designated to host bits. In class B, first and second octets are designated to network portion while third and fourth octets are designated to host portion. In class C, first, second and third octets are designated to network portion while the fourth octet is designated to host portion. Class D is reserved for multicasting. Class E is reserved for research. Network address range of class A. The first bit of the first byte in a class A network address must always be off or 0. Consider the following example. As per the condition, the first bit of the first byte in a class A network address must always be off or 0. So if we turn the other 7 bits all off, we get 0. And then turn them all on, we get 127. So the range of class A network is 0 to 127. But entire IP address set to all zeros is used by Cisco routers to designate the default route. And network 127.0.0.1 is reserved for loopback tests. So the valid range of class A network is 1 to 126. Network address range of class B. In a class B network, the first bit of the first byte must always be turned on, but the second bit must always be turned off. Consider the following example. As per the condition, if you turn the other 6 bits all off, you will get 128 and then turn all on, you will get 191. So the range of a class B network is 128 to 191. Network address range of class C. For class C networks, the first 2 bits of the first octet are always turned on, but the third bit can never be on. Following the same process, if you turn the other 5 bits all off, you will get 192 and then turn all on, you will get 223. So the range of a class C network is 192 to 223. So if you see an IP address that starts at 192 and goes to 223, you will know it's a class C IP address. Network address ranges of class D and E. The addresses between 224 to 225 are reserved for class D and E networks. Class D 224 to 239 is used for multicast addresses, and Class C 240 to 255 for scientific purposes. So you don't need to know them as they are beyond the scope of CCNA. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel and press bell icon to get regular updates about upcoming education videos.